Have you ever wondered how your smartphone seems to know exactly what you need, even before you do? It's as if there's a tiny human inside, predicting your next move. But what's really at work here is something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. In the simplest terms, AI is the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. It's like teaching a computer to think and learn, much like we humans do. But it's not just confined to your smartphone. It's everywhere. It's in the suggested posts you see on your social media feed, in the way your smart home devices respond to your commands, even in how your email filters out spam. AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, silently working in the background, making things easier and more efficient for us. So, now that we know what AI is, let's delve into how it actually works. Scene script. AI might seem like a complex concept, but it's actually pretty simple when you break it down. Imagine a newborn baby. At first, the world is a whirl of colors, sounds, and sensations. But as time goes on, the baby learns to recognize faces, understand language, and make sense of the world. This is essentially how artificial intelligence, or AI, works. AI is like a curious child, always learning and adapting. It does this through processes called machine learning and neural networks. Let's start with machine learning. Picture it as a game of guessing. For instance, if I show you a picture of a cat and tell you it's a cat, you'd be able to identify other cats based on that example. That's because your brain has learned what a cat looks like. Machine learning is the same. It's all about teaching computers to recognize patterns and apply them to new situations. Now, on to neural networks. Imagine a vast web of interconnected points, much like the neurons in our brain. Each point, or node, represents a piece of information. The more the information is used, the stronger the connections between the nodes become. This is how a neural network operates, mirroring the human brain's own learning process. AI uses these two processes together to make predictions and decisions. It takes in data, think of it as the AI's life experiences, and learns from it. It recognizes patterns, remembers them, and applies them to new data. It can predict the weather, recommend a song you might like, even diagnose diseases, all based on patterns it has learned. But of course, AI is not human. It doesn't feel emotions or understand context in the same way we do. It's a tool, a very powerful one, that we've created to help us navigate the complexities of our world. In essence, AI is all about learning from data and using that knowledge to make our lives easier. It's about harnessing the power of machines to better understand and interact with the world around us. That's the magic of AI. AI is more than just a cool technology. It's changing our lives in profound ways. It's like an invisible hand, subtly yet significantly altering how we work, play, heal, and travel. In the workplace, AI is revolutionizing how we do business. It's automating routine tasks, freeing us to focus on creative and strategic thinking. AI-powered data analytics are providing insights that would have been unimaginable just a few years ago, helping businesses to make informed decisions and stay competitive. But it's a double-edged sword. This increased efficiency could lead to job displacement, as machines become capable of performing tasks once reserved for humans. In the realm of entertainment, AI is transforming the landscape. It's curating our music playlists, powering the recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms, and even creating art. It's making entertainment more personalized and immersive than ever. However, this personalization comes with a price. There's a concern that AI could create echo chambers, filtering our content to the point where we're only exposed to what we already like or agree with. In healthcare, AI is a game changer. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy and speed. It's enabling personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. But as our health data becomes more digitized, privacy issues arise. How do we ensure that our sensitive health information stays secure? In transportation, AI is driving the future. It's behind the wheel of self-driving cars, promising to make our roads safer and our commutes more efficient. Yet, there are ethical dilemmas to consider. If an accident is inevitable, how should an autonomous vehicle decide who to protect? AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. It's up to us to navigate the challenges and harness the potential of this transformative technology. Whether we realize it or not, AI is here to stay, and it's reshaping our world in ways we could never have imagined.